But welcome to new business owners, and congratulations on taking the risk and the deep dive of getting into your own business. We're here at Halo to support you on your business journey and to ensure that you get off on the right foot with the best possible assistance and advice. And for us, that starts with Halo Buying Group, consolidated buying power to save you money on materials from the get-go. We have our Profit Optimizer workshop, which is about markups, margins, and gross profit. This will ensure you start your business in a profitable way. And lastly, it's about job management software. And in particular, or more than likely, it'll be Fergus, making sure that it's set up properly and it's going to meet your business objectives operationally and financially. And with those three combined, it will give you a great foundation to build your business from. And we'd like to work with you to introduce those programs, those concepts, and that buying power for your business. So please reach out, give us a call, flick us an email, and we'll start the process of working with you.